What if your morning smoothie or evening tea could actually give you smoother skin and fewer wrinkles? Sounds too good to be true, it's not. In fact, your skin's best defense might already be in your fridge. Welcome to True Health Way, where we uncover natural, science-backed ways to look good, feel great, and live better. Today, we're revealing 8 powerful drinks that help boost your natural collagen levels, the protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. And here's the best part: by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to sip on to glow from the inside out. No expensive treatments required. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and tap that bell because your journey to radiant skin starts right now. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's kick off our countdown with a skin-loving favorite: green smoothies. These vibrant blends are more than just a health trend, they're collagen powerhouses in a glass. At their core, green smoothies combine leafy greens like spinach and kale with fruits like kiwi berries and even avocado. Each of these ingredients delivers essential nutrients that your skin craves. The magic here lies in the vitamins. Spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins A and C, both of which are critical for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C in particular helps your body build the structure of collagen, while vitamin A supports skin regeneration and repair. And when you toss in berries or kiwi, you're adding powerful antioxidants that protect collagen from being damaged by environmental stress. Here's a quick tip to level up your blend: squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice into your smoothie. Not only does it brighten the flavor, but it also boosts vitamin C content and enhances nutrient absorption. Your skin will thank you. And don't just take our word for it. A study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology confirmed that vitamin C deficiency leads to weakened collagen structure and slower skin healing. So the next time you sip a green smoothie, know that you're doing more than getting your greens, you're fueling your glow. At number 7, we step into the zesty world of citrus juices. Whether it's orange, grapefruit, or lemon, these fruits are rich in vitamin C, the ultimate collagen-building nutrient. In fact, without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't assemble collagen molecules properly. Drinking a fresh glass of orange juice in the morning doesn't just wake you up, it gives your skin a jumpstart on collagen production. Vitamin C acts like a spark plug, activating the enzymes needed to build strong, healthy collagen fibers. It also helps neutralize free radicals that would otherwise break those fibers down. Pro tip: always go for fresh squeezed citrus juice when possible and avoid commercial juices loaded with added sugar. Natural juice delivers all the benefits without the blood sugar spikes that could actually harm skin health. The science backs it up. The Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that consistent vitamin C intake, whether through diet or supplements, improved skin firmness and reduced visible signs of aging. So when life gives you lemons, drink up, your skin will glow for it. Coming in at number 6 is a warm, nourishing favorite: bone broth. Known for centuries as a healing elixir, bone broth is now recognized as one of the most direct dietary sources of collagen. It's made by simmering bones and connective tissue for hours, releasing gelatin, amino acids, and minerals that support skin, joints, and gut health. What makes bone broth special is that it doesn't just help your body make collagen, it actually contains collagen. When consumed, it provides building blocks like glycine and proline, which your body uses to strengthen its own collagen network. The result: improved skin hydration, elasticity, and reduced signs of aging. To get the most from your broth, let it simmer for at least 12 hours. This slow cooking process breaks down the bones and tissues, maximizing nutrient extraction. And for an extra glow, you can add a splash of apple cider vinegar. It helps release more minerals from the bones. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, collagen peptides from bone broth can significantly improve skin elasticity and moisture while also reducing joint pain in athletes. So go ahead, sip it slow and savor the benefits. Next up at number 5, we're sipping on beauty in a teacup: herbal teas, specifically hibiscus and rooibos. These caffeine-free options aren't just calming for your mind, they're also deeply nourishing for your skin. Let's start with hibiscus. Its rich ruby color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight off free radicals. These sneaky molecules are one of collagen's worst enemies. They break down its structure and speed up signs of aging. By neutralizing them, hibiscus tea helps preserve your skin's firmness and glow. Rooibos tea brings its own secret weapon aspalathin, a rare antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory benefits. It supports collagen by reducing the inflammation that leads to its degradation over time. Even better, both of these teas naturally contain small amounts of vitamin C, giving you a gentle boost with every sip. Here's a tip to make it a daily ritual. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups each day, hot or cold. Add a slice of lemon for added flavor and extra skin benefits. And if you're wondering about results, studies in the Phytomedicine Journal show that both hibiscus and rooibos teas help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in collagen breakdown. So go ahead, put the kettle on. Your skin deserves a tea break too. Coming in at number 4 is the jewel-toned powerhouse pomegranate juice. This beautiful fruit isn't just Instagram-worthy, it's loaded with ellagic acid and vitamin C2 nutrients that play a vital role in collagen protection and skin health. While many fruits help build collagen, pomegranate goes a step further by helping to preserve it. Ellagic acid is a potent antioxidant that defends your collagen matrix from UV damage, pollution, and other environmental aggressors. These stressors are known to speed up collagen breakdown, leading to sagging and wrinkles. Pomegranate acts like a shield, protecting the skin's structure while allowing natural collagen to thrive. For an extra skin-nourishing boost, try pairing pomegranate juice with chia seeds. The combination gives you a powerful mix of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that support skin hydration and elasticity. It's a simple, tasty addition that turns your drink into a true beauty tonic. And here's the science to back it up. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that pomegranate extract significantly improved skin moisture and elasticity in clinical trials. So whether you're sipping it solo or mixing it into a smoothie, you're giving your skin the glow it craves from the inside out. Next up, don't underestimate the humble tomato. Yes, tomato juice earns the bronze medal in our countdown, and for good reason. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a bright red antioxidant that does wonders for collagen protection. Lycopene helps shield collagen fibers from UV radiation, which is one of the top external factors that accelerate skin aging. It also calms inflammation, another major contributor to collagen degradation. This means you're not just protecting your skin, you're also soothing it at the same time. Want to boost lycopene absorption? Cook your tomatoes. Lycopene becomes more bioavailable when tomatoes are heated, so a warm tomato soup or lightly simmered juice can be even more effective than raw. The science supports this too. A study in the British Journal of Dermatology found that lycopene-rich tomato extract significantly improved the skin's natural defenses against UV damage. So whether it's sipped chilled or enjoyed warm tomato juice might just be your skin's new best friend. Sliding into the runner-up spot is aloe vera juice. The same plant we use to soothe sunburns can also boost your collagen production from within. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, plus a host of amino acids, the exact building blocks your body needs to create collagen. While aloe vera doesn't contain collagen directly, it supports every step of its production. The antioxidants protect collagen from oxidative damage, while the amino acids help your body build and maintain its collagen network. Think of aloe as a behind-the-scenes worker that makes sure everything runs smoothly for your skin cells. Here's a quick tip. Choose pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice. Many commercial products add sugar or artificial ingredients which can cancel out the skin benefits. Look for cold-pressed or organically sourced options for the best results. In fact, phytotherapy research published a study showing that participants who consumed aloe daily experienced noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and moisture after just 90 days. So when it comes to collagen support, aloe vera isn't just soothing, it's strategic. And here we are, number 1 on our list, carrot juice. You've probably heard that carrots are great for your eyes, but their benefits for your skin are just as impressive. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for collagen formation and skin renewal. Vitamin A supports the growth and repair of skin cells, helping to maintain a smooth, firm texture. It also regulates the production of sebum, which keeps skin moisturized without being oily. But most importantly, it's a key player in producing pro-collagen, the precursor needed to build strong collagen fibers. Want to make your carrot juice even more skin-friendly? Blend it with a touch of ginger. Not only does it add a warm, spicy flavor, it also brings anti-inflammatory benefits that further protect your skin's collagen. According to the journal Dermatoendocrinology, vitamin A directly influences collagen gene expression, making it one of the most critical vitamins for skin structure and anti-aging. So next time you sip on this orange powerhouse, know you're giving your skin a vibrant, vitamin-packed gift. Now let's quickly recap. We've covered 8 powerful drinks from green smoothies to carrot juice, each packed with specific nutrients that help your body protect or preserve collagen. Some are loaded with vitamin C, others with antioxidants or direct sources of collagen itself. Each of these drinks offers a unique path to stronger collagen and glowing skin. So here's the question. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your personal favorites or any homemade collagen-boosting drinks you swear by. If this video inspired you to start sipping smarter for your skin, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people discover natural ways to age gracefully. And if you know someone who's all about that glow-up life, go ahead and share this video with them. For more wellness tips, natural remedies, and glow-from-within guides, subscribe to True Health Way and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Your healthiest skin is just one sip away, and we'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, stay radiant, and keep sipping smart.